Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's story is about fear, responsibility, and growth. It is about a person who always runs away from problems. Maybe you will see yourself in this story. Maybe you will learn something important. This story is called Stop Running from Problems. Let's begin. There was a young man named Adam. Adam was not lazy. He was not stupid. He was not weak. But Adam had one big problem. Whenever life became difficult, Adam ran away. If a job became stressful, he quit. If a relationship became serious, he left. If a responsibility became heavy, he avoided it. Adam always said, "This is not for me. I will do it later. I need more time." At first, this habit did not look dangerous. Adam felt free. He felt light. He felt safe. When problems came, he escaped them. And every time he escaped, his fear felt smaller, for a moment. But his life did not move forward. Adam lived in his comfort zone. He woke up late. He watched videos. He scrolled on his phone. He dreamed about success. He dreamed about a better life, a better job, more money, more respect. But dreams need action, and action brings problems. Adam wanted success without struggle, peace without responsibility, confidence without effort. Whenever something felt hard, he told himself, "I will start tomorrow." Tomorrow never came. Deep inside, Adam knew the truth. He was not tired. He was afraid. Afraid of failure, afraid of judgment, afraid of being uncomfortable. So he ran. One day, Adam met an old man in a small park. The old man was sitting alone on a bench. He looked calm. He looked strong. Adam sat near him. The old man asked, "Why do you look tired?" Adam answered, "I am not tired. I am just confused." The old man smiled and said, "Confusion comes from running." Adam laughed. "What do you mean?" The old man looked at him and said slowly, "You cannot run from problems forever. Problems follow people who avoid them." Adam did not understand. He thanked the old man and left. But those words stayed in his mind. Life became harder. Adam lost another job, not because he was bad, but because he avoided responsibility. His friends moved forward. They grew. They struggled. They improved. Adam stayed the same. Now, when problems came, Adam ran faster. He changed places. He changed plans. He changed excuses. But every night, when everything was quiet, his thoughts became loud. He felt empty. Running did not bring peace anymore. It brought stress. The more he ran, the bigger his fear became. One evening, Adam received a call, a serious opportunity, a stable job, a chance to grow. But it was difficult. It required responsibility. It required effort. Adam's heart beat fast. His hands were shaking. His old habit whispered, "Run." For the first time, Adam stopped. He remembered the old man's words, "Problems follow people who avoid them." That night, Adam could not sleep. He understood something important. Running was no longer protecting him. Running was destroying him. Part 6. Facing the Problem. The next morning, Adam made a decision. He accepted the job. The first days were hard. He felt slow. He felt uncomfortable. He felt scared. But something changed. Every time he faced a problem, he felt stronger. Not confident at first, but proud. He learned that courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is acting while fear is present. Problems did not disappear, but Adam stopped running. And because of that, problems became smaller. Months later, Adam returned to the park. The old man was there again. Adam smiled and said, "You were right." The old man nodded. Adam said, "I thought running kept me safe, but it kept me small." The old man answered, "Problems are not enemies, they are teachers." Adam finally understood. Growth lives inside discomfort. Confidence comes after action. Strength is built through struggle. If you are watching this story, ask yourself one question. What are you running from? A responsibility? A decision? A hard conversation? A new beginning? Running feels easy, but it costs you your future. Stop running from problems. Face them step by step. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fearless. You just need to stop running. Because the life you want is on the other side of discomfort. Thank you for watching. If you want to improve your English and your mindset, stay with this channel. Remember, consistency and patience bring real progress.